My head at night, I pray to God watch over me, cause I ain't living right. Reminiscing how I told you that I've been hurt.
Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I got something new, of course. I'm giving you my best review and everything on my on this AC Pro product that I have here. This one is brand new, of course. I got it from Advance Auto Parts. Came to like $64 and change. I got a mailing rebate of I think it's like $24. So it ended up being $39 and change, and the taxes and everything. So I ended up getting back like probably around 24 bucks, somewhere around there. Anyways, this is the AC Pro Extreme. It said guards against extreme temperature, protects against high use, restore maximum cold, dry air, seal leaks, and it said also works for hybrid electric compatible. So with hybrid cars, it works as well. All right, what I love about it, instead of the other gauges, you know, this is the difference between the regular one, because all of them work no matter what refrigerant you purchase. Certain differences is just the seal leaks. What they have in there, once the leak is small, it'll stop that leak. Once it's small, it'll stop the leak. This one is totally different because it also works for the hybrid vehicle, and I don't know about the other one if they'll work for the hybrids. I guess you got to read the manual. All right, with the gauge, what I like, it tells you the low. It said 0 to 25, fill from 0 to 50, and above that it said cautious, and if it go in the red, that means the system will basically stop. So what I love about the gauge, it tells you when you hold it in, press it in, it'll tell you how much PSI of refrigerant is actually in the system. And guys, this stuff actually works. I love it. I used it on my friend car yesterday. I bought this for mine. I'm gonna put this in for my vehicle tomorrow, because I noticed the last time I refilled my vehicle was like probably 2 or 3 years ago, and I noticed that my refrigerant is low because on the driver's side is blowing, is warmer than the passenger side. So do I recommend this product? Yes, I do. Whichever one that you can afford, but I recommend the gauge one, the digital gauge, because I think it's so awesome and cool. I think it's faster. I mean, it doesn't matter. You have people out there that don't even care, but I mean, I love using the digital gauge. This is brand new from Advance Auto Parts. Also, they're supposed to start selling them in Walmart. I don't know when they're going to get them. I've been checking the sites. I don't see them on the sites. They only have the original ones. Yeah, so some of them have some of them is different, because some of them also have like this one basically don't have it. I don't see it. Some of them have like a UV dye as well, like if you have a leak and you take it to a shop, and I think they have like a light or something that show the dye that could detect where that leak is coming out, which is very cool. But this one don't have it. They have another one that does. So I said all of them, all of them got different features. Some of them is plain, the normal one, the cheaper one. I'm not talking about just the AC Pro, like some other brand name. They just come with just the refrigerant by itself. They don't really have no they don't really have no features as this one or the other types that they have. But so far so good, guys. My friend, he's enjoying his vehicle in the cold AC, and you guys know, oh my goodness, it is hot. It is hot here in Florida. The humidity, the sun, the heat wave, it be hot down here, and you cannot be in Florida driving a car without AC. So guys, this stuff actually works. This one is the Extreme Condition AC Recharge Premium Formula. You know, premium always sound good. Premium gas, you guys know what I mean. Yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy this vehicle. At the back, it have the instructions. It basically tells you fast and easy. Number one, it said find the low pressure port for you in the car, because that's what it's going to connect to. If you try to connect this to the high port, the high pressure port, it's not going to fit. So you got to find the low pressure port connected to the low pressure. Hopefully you guys could see, I'm not sure. Once you put this in, the system will measure, it will measure how much refrigerant is actually in the system, like inside your car. It will show you if it's low, if it's good, or if it goes straight to the red. Sometimes when you go straight to the red, that means the compressor is no good, it's damaged. But that's not all the time. And last, number 3, you just charge it. Basically, once it's already connected, you just hold this down and it'll show you guys. It will show you. They have a button on here as well. I don't know if you guys can see it. You have a button that you could just press and it'll turn on, and it'll just show you. Once you connect it, guys, it's easy to use. It's fast and easy to do it yourself without you going to the shop. As I said, if you don't know what you're doing, I recommend you going to the shop, guys. That's all I gotta say. But yeah, well, this is my review. It works 100%. Good stuff, good product. It is hot in here, I'm sweating. I should have turned on my fan, but didn't get a chance to do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't subscribed to my to this channel. I will be uploading, I'll upload random videos if you guys are new. If you guys haven't known me, it's been a while having do a review on mechanical parts for a car or something to fix a vehicle. But you know, my channel is random. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Peace, and I'm out of here. Be safe, wash your hands, wear masks, be safe out there. I'm out.